Welcome, trolls. Bruce sees all.
Hi, welcome everyone. Welcome to the moon, to the Bruce Sees All Research YouTube channel. 4th year into the research. This is the recent footage I caught during March. We're going to see some cool areas. You know how I am, guys. There's Aristarchus. I look at the footage and then I show it, and then whoops, I get in close, and then whoop, I get findings, and anything that I can show you, guys, that would be interested. Well, I'll get it up here on the channel. So take an amazing look at Aristarchus, and we're going to get into the South Pole, actually. Actually, not true. The bottom side of the moon at this moment is not what should be there. Think of it. Sinus Iridum, right here, is on the the west side of the moon, and we're going to see that further out after. So it's drastically rotated right now. We're going to get in really close, as usual, closer than we were the last few videos, and look how clear it is. And when I say clear, look at the top right. Why everything is angled right now the way it is, it's so that we could see the certain everything perfectly. Look at the colors on the surface. Depending on your monitors, of course, big monitors see it. Greenery everywhere, of course. We'll see a lot of that during the video. And again, I can't wait to show you the tower and the base-like structure that we're going to see very close to Aristarchus crater. At the end of Kepler crater, actually, and that's where we're going to go see. We're going to reverse the moon over. Look at the colors, so that we could see these objects, guys and gals, and you're going to find it pretty extraordinary, I promise you. Tycho on the left. We could see Copernicus on the right. Often they look the same, don't they? The two white craters on the top there. Very, well, not the same at all, but very similar from afar, of course. Sinus Iridum's on the right, because I'm switching the moon over a bunch of angles. And we're going to go see that this angle actually upside down and reversed, and to go see the towering structure on a base-like square object. And I say like, it really is, but wait till you see the base. For me to be saying there's a base there, there would have to be a lot of construction, right? And that's exactly what we're going to see. It looks like many things, like, for example, it looks like an airport. I could say a whole bunch of things. It actually looks like Area 51, the way everything's set up. We're just going to go see that, you and I. It's at the top here. We're going to go see that reverse the other way around. So I'm going to get two circles up over two objects that I want you to concentrate on while I'm going to be magnifying this for you at the bottom of the moon. Here's one on the left, towering object, whatever it may be. Take a look at it. It's a crater under Kepler. And to the right, look at this base structuring surface. Let's go take a look. In 4K, here's the South Pole. Tycho, right there, that white crater. And on the top, there's actually the bottom side of the moon. Not tonight, but where it should be. There's South Pole that we're looking at. And look at the colors. Arctic colors, right? Up on the top. fire.